Hey Product Hunt, my name is Seth, and this is a quick introduction to Flat. Flat is a simple alternative to complex tools like Asana, Monday, and ClickUp. We've spoken to a lot of teams about what they want in a tool like this, and besides simplicity, we've found that they need three key things in order to work together effectively. A place to write down what needs to be done and why, a place to keep track of the status of everything that's going on, and a way to have quick async conversations about the work in progress without things getting lost in Slack. If you combine these three key pieces together in the simplest and easiest to use way possible, you get Flat. Let me show you how it works. What we're looking at here is called a topic, and it's the central concept in Flat. A topic provides a shared focal point for something you're working on. This one is about adding a new page to our website, and you can see the three key pieces in action. Here's the context, here's the status, and here's the conversation. Let's take each of those one at a time. Here in the middle, you have a lightweight collaborative document editor similar to Google Docs. You can add resources as links or attachments. Here's an embedded Figma design, and you can break the topic down into subtasks that can be independently assigned. Now, unlike a Google Doc, Flat's topics have a life cycle and status information. So up here, you can see that this topic is in progress, I'm owning it, and it's due on the 12th. And over here on the right, you can see a conversation that isn't in danger of being lost in Slack. Here, Alice, our copywriter, is letting me know that there's a first draft of the copy available for me to review. And note that this thread is assigned to me, so it's almost impossible for this ball to be dropped. Unlike Slack, Flat's threads are explicitly asynchronous, so you can work together with your team collaborating without interrupting each other all day. Flat also has a special kind of thread called a blocker that lets you highlight when a topic can't move forward for some reason. Here I'm going to note that the exec team needs to sign off on this one. Okay, now every topic in Flat lives in a workspace that determines its workflow and who can see it. This topic is in the marketing workspace, so let's zoom out and take a look at that. Here you can see a very simple workflow of to-do, in progress, done, but it can be whatever you like. Just click on the workspace name and adjust the workflow here. Now, marketing is a public workspace, so everyone can see what's going on, but you can also have private workspaces for sensitive work areas like legal or HR, just like Slack channels. Now, if you have work assigned to you in more than one workspace, you'll want to be able to see it all in one place. So just click on your name over here, and you can see everything that's on your plate and prioritize it into simple now, next, and later buckets. If you're noticing that Flat seems pretty fast, it's not a trick of video editing. It's because Flat is actually downloading and saving all your data locally and periodically synchronizing with the server. So yes, it does actually work offline if you're traveling and don't have a great Wi-Fi connection. Now, there's a lot more to Flat than I can show in just a few minutes, but that's the gist of it. If you'd like to give it a try, we'd love to know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.